Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I think I narrowed it down to the polishes that I want to try. It's going to either be one or both. One or this one. Because I'm going to do some nails with just a solid polish, and then I want to do a design on a couple. Like I said, I like to do an accent finger. I was going to use these last time from one of my videos. Here's what it looks like off. So I figured it kind of symbols like like a shape of a Christmas tree, so I thought that would be cute. So I might give that a try, but I definitely am going to use one of these. Alright, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with Dainty Digits Candy Cane. Putting on my Twixie. This helps a lot with when you're polishing your own nails. You don't have to hold on to the bottle. And I'm going to put this one on, okay. I'm going to put this one on my, for my accent nail. But you know what, let me shake this up a little more because it looks pretty thin. Alright, I hope it still looks good, y'all.
You know what the cool thing about
Had it so long.
is?
Okay, so if you guys see me kind of dotting around trying to play, what I'm doing is trying to place the glitter a little bit more in the middle, because in case I use the nail vinyls, I want it to be able to show the glitter. Okay, so I'm done with those. I do need to clean up around the edges a little more. So excuse that part if you see any red all over my fingers. My ring is crooked. So while I'm thinking of what to do next, I'm going to use my Pro Bell top coat on the red nails that I have finished. I put a top coat on these already. Think about this on one nail. Maybe the thumbs. Do a fun little glitter.
And if it doesn't come out thick enough, then I can always sprinkle a little bit of this one on as well. So let's give it a try and shake it up.
And this one is Beneath the Mistletoe. So I hope you guys guys can see. I'll do the thumb. The liquid, the clear that it's in, since it's set so long, I think the colors has bled into that clear polish, and it's turned it a bit like kind of yellow goldy color. So I hope that doesn't show up. I'm just trying to move these glitters around, kind of space them out. I have to stop using my nails for cleanup. Yeah, I can see it. I can see that yellow. You guys see that color? It from all the colors that's in here, they like bled, the glitters bled over time, so it will do that. So I'm gonna have to go over it with something to kind of cover that yellow up. I'm not sure what I can do just yet, but I'll figure something out. Okay. So now I know next time these will go on some type of like color base, like on top of something like this, since it turned. I'm gonna have to fix that with something. Okay. Alright, these are dry. So I'm going to try this. I need tweezers. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and place it about here.
Make sure I am not in it too crooked. I'm a shaky hand person, so it's hard for me to get stuff in the middle.
Not sure how it's gonna work out on the end of my nail. It's not wanting to form correctly down here. I'm not in frame, sorry guys. I may have to wing it at the end. But let's see. No, I got it on there. It's just not fitting right. Let's give it a dab, shall we?
Alright, so I'm gonna open the polish.
You guys, I knew that end was gonna be terrible. Dang it, you guys. See what happened? Because it didn't fit my nail right. It would have been so freaking cute and perfect. I'm gonna have to try to fix it. Hold on, guys. Let me find my brushes. Maybe. See if this will work, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna use this IWatch brush. It has a tiny bristle. And try to clean it up. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, hopefully I can get it to look okay, because this is my good hand. I wouldn't have cared if it messed up on my right hand. I don't want too much, because then it'll wipe away my base. so, Alright, what I'm going to do is now I'll open up this polish. I'm going to drop a dab on my nail art mat. I make these. If you guys are interested, comment below. I can tell you guys how you can purchase one. So I put a drop on my nail mat. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to dip it a tiny bit. Get a little bit of the polish on it, and just try to make my own line back here. It's not going to be straight though, like the other ones are finer. Wipe it off, and I'm going to dab it a little bit in the polish remover and go back through here to wipe off some of the excess. For your secret Santa. My husband's talking during my video. I think he must have forgot that quick, but it's okay. He had Secret Santa today. Or what do you call it? Yeah. Well, that ain't too bad, y'all. It's gonna have to do, though. Not happy about it. I may end up covering that up or redoing it. I don't know. Let's put a little bit more polish on it. Like right here. Well, y'all, I don't know. I might just take that off or cover it up. We'll see what I do, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one. Alright, you guys, so change of plans. I went ahead and removed it. I just took my cleanup brush and dipped it, you know, in the remover and wiped it off. So I'm gonna go over this again with a little bit, just maybe one coat of this. And then another top coat. And then I am going to try something else because I don't like the way those fit, these nails. Alright. I gotta do something about these thumbs too. You can really see the yellow now. See how it dried? It's all from bleeding colors. Because there's gold little glitters in the polish, and that's why it turned this color. So that is not cute at all. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on this finger too because I really like it. And I'm thinking about the for the thumbs, I'm thinking of maybe going over it with one of the white glitters. If not that, the Broadway glitter. Because the Broadway glitter might be too thick and completely cover it up. And I still wanted to show some of that white glitter. So I went over it. I mean, it did these two, and I did a little bit of glitter placement to kind of fill it in. So that's what it looks like so far. So now we got to figure these thumbs out. I was thinking about going over it with this one, but I don't really think it's going to cover it that much because it's so yellow. So I was wondering if I should do this one, but I'm hoping that's like not doing too much though. You know what I mean? Like, will that even look good though? Let me put some down here. It's not super gold. It gives it like a gold tint. So, I mean, if I don't like it, I can always take it off. Let me do this. My bad hand. Right hand. My non-picture hand. Let's see, y'all. This one is ornamental. Okay, so the next thing I have to think of is, do I want to do anything to the nails with the white on them? I was wondering, do I want to do some like green polka dot on them? Do I want to do some of the gold somewhere on them? Or do I want to leave them? Guys, I am back. Okay, so the struggle is real. Can I say that? So these are all the colors I ended up doing. So I went off camera and did this. Now, I didn't record it because I thought it was going to be a fail and that I was going to take it off, but I ended up using these. I have like packs of them, like a pack of 50 or something I got off AliExpress for like $1 or less. I used this to make this little design here. I just felt it was missing something. Now, the other hand was the experiment hand. I did this hand first, and then I looked at it and I'm like, oh, like, is it missing something? So I took the Broadway polish and put it down here, used my dotting tool, and added some of the red glitter to it, and I didn't like it. So it's fine because I don't use this hand. So I did not do it on this hand. This is my picture hand. And then after that, I thought the white nail still needed like some sparkle or something to it. So I ended up putting this on it. See if I can open this and show you guys. This is so pretty. Well, actually, you should be able to see. See that color of the sparkles kind of has a gold tint to it. Because I wanted some type of like, you know, gold or something because I got these gold thumbs. So I ended up going over all the white curly nails with that topper, and it really set it off. It looks pretty with that on there. So I decided to just leave it alone. I went over it with this on the thumb too, with that topper. So after that, I just left it alone. Put my little Seche V on it, and I also used my nail polish dryer because it's late and I'm ready for bed, so I need them to hurry up and dry. I was testing all kind of stuff out, you guys, to see exactly what I wanted to do. But yeah, that's it. This is how they turn out, and I hope you guys like them. I know this one's a little off, but I don't know, I felt like I needed some green in there somewhere. I probably should have did this one too. It's not focusing, but I love her. The Starlight and Sparkles, like, though her hollows are just so on point. So on point. Even the little toppers are holographic toppers. You guys can see, really pretty. And then this is the other hand. So I don't know, you guys tell me, what do you guys like? This right, do you like this accent nail with the little red glitters on it? Should I go ahead and add them on to the other hand? Or just leave it the way it is over here? Pretty. So again, I use Starlight and Sparkles polish, the dragon top coat, dainty digits, ornamental and candy cane, and Starlight and Sparkles polish again, and sparkling bow and evergreen. My Twixie, my nails, cuticle oil, I used my Nicole by OPI, and I have on lotion as well. I use my Rebecca and Madison hand and body lotion mermaid, and their name has changed. I'll have to put the new name in on my screen when I remember it. And so, oh yeah, and then these stencils, you can see the used ones right there. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.